Hello and welcome to PH Maths. Today's explainer is graph transformations. F of x plus a, f of x plus a inside the bracket, f minus x, all those weird ones. The rule for horizontal shifts is the counterintuitive one. By the end of this video, you'll know it cold. Definition. Transformations applied outside the bracket affect the y-axis. These are vertical changes. F of x plus a moves the graph up by a. Transformations applied inside the bracket affect the x-axis, horizontal changes, but backwards. F of x plus a moves the graph left by a. Outside is intuitive, inside is reversed. Key insight: f of x plus 2 means shift up by 2. F of x plus 2 with the plus 2 inside the bracket means shift left by 2. Counterintuitive but true. The reason? To get the same output value, your input needs to be 2 smaller, so the whole graph slides left. Outside affects y, inside affects x, but backwards. Common mistake: the direction of the horizontal shifts. F of x plus 2 goes left, not right. F of x minus 2 goes right, not left. The sign inside the bracket is opposite to the direction of shift. Make a small table on your paper at the start of any transformations question. Saves marks every time.